Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Prevention is Better Than Cure. Today our topic is why do we cough? It's what you do when anything bothers your throat, such as nasal congestion, drip, or airborne particles. Additionally, it aids in windpipe and lungs clearing. However, this may also cause the cells lining in the upper airways to become inflamed. Like coughs caused by colds and the flu, many coughs will go away on their own. If the cause of yours is a more serious medical condition, you must get treatment. There are ways to feel better regardless of the cause.